Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable through pass assistance. In the beginning, from main menu of the game, let's go to settings. Now find game settings, gameplay, and find through pass assistance. Switch it between manual, semi and assisted. In manual, the direction you aim is the direction the pass will travel. The longer you hold triangle, the stronger the pass will be. In semi, through pass direction will be less assisted. It will rely more on your aim. In assisted, through pass direction and power are both assisted. The better direct player passes into the receiver path while avoiding opponent players. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.